There is no income proof, my lord. Petitioner working as a coolie, my lord. So to her,
Why that much amount is granted? What is
without
what is the finding of the court?
assessment.
Two children and wife, how do they live if you don't pay anything?
Children here for petitioner.
Yes,
Husband's petition, my lord.
yes.
Husband,
What is the amount?
husband, my lord, 25,000 rupees awarded, my lord.
Hmm.
There is no income proof, my lord. Petitioner working as a coolie, my lord.
Hmm.
Petitioner paid the application.
20,000 to the wife and only wife or wife and child?
Wife and two children's, my lord. Wife and two children's, my lord. The children's two are
Why that much amount is granted? What is
without
what is the finding of the court?
page number 40. Kindly see. 45. Para number 4, my lord. The petitioner is earning income out of real estate. He is having agricultural garden lands, growing mulberry crops such as potato, cabbage, tomato, and he is earning 10 lakhs per annum by doing agriculture activities. Based on this, my lord. The RTC shows, my lord, ancestral properties, my lord. There is no this type of crops, my lord. Dry lands, my lord. Only one dry land.
And wife, how
My
do
lord.
they live?
Please, madam.
Two children and wife, how do they live if you don't pay anything?
Children are studying in the RTA quota, my lord, in private school provided by the government of Karnataka. So both are BPL category, my lord, totally. Even petitioner and also respondent.
Pay 10,000.
Already paid, my lord, 50,000 rupees paid, my lord. Because during the course of next date of hearing, the trial court taken into custody, my lord. Without depositing 50,000, they won't release, my lord. 50,000.
50,000.
50,000 already deposited, my lord.
50,000 already deposited. When is the petition filed?
6 months over, my lord. 6 months. 17/2. Order dated 17/2, my lord.
When
17/2 of
is your
24.
petition for maintenance filed?
On 17/2/24, my lord.
Where do you get the date?
Page number 44, my lord. 44, my lord. Kindly see. 17/2. 17/2, page number 44 in annexure C.
That is the date of order. I'm asking when did she file the application for maintenance?
Application filed on 12/2, my lord. Annexure B, my lord. 3/2, sorry, my lord. Application filed on 3/2, annexure B. Under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, my lord.
Please come. The land counsel for the husband is agreed with a grant of maintenance of an amount of 22,000 to the wife and two children. He submitted that he's a daily wage worker and he has no and he can't pay 22,000. The court has not considered all these aspects. It is submitted that before the trial court, he has already deposited an amount of rupees 50,000. Considering the submission of some.
On 8/7/24, my lord.
So and
Deposited.
so, they shall be stay or fall for the proceedings pursuant to the order of the passed in so and so on the condition that he shall deposit 10,000 by 5th of every succeeding month. And as he has already paid 50,000, another 10,000 shall be deposited towards arrears within 2 weeks.
4 weeks, my lord.
Within
Fully,
4
my lord.
Within 4 weeks. Oh, but you say with the
And
part of-
delivery, my lord.
with
Tomorrow
the-
is hearing that is there.
And someone's on the council for the respondent pose this matter on same like how the other dates are given. Stay is granted.
My lord, next tomorrow is date is there, my lord. And delivery, I request hand delivery.
Yes.
Please.